Hi guys, welcome to Rosby Mobile. Today I will unboxing Huawei matexs2 latest model, white color. Let's go for unboxing. It's so beautiful and you can buy from Rosby Mobile. 512 GB storage and 12 GB RAM. This is collecting edition. This is not normally. Let's see. If coming, the first one is red cover, that is the collecting edition. The inside the software is a Harmony OS. If coming like this without the red box, black color, that RAM is coming 8 GB, but this one RAM is 12 GB. Just okay. Wow, it's so amazing and so beautiful. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe our channel. And you can see now. Let's go for activation the phone. This one have front camera and also the back 3 camera flash lens, and this is the button for full unbox. And the back cover is a white leather. Okay, consists software Harmony OS. Let's go for activation. We'll select the language English. Get started. Select country United Arab Emirates. Next and escape, and next there is needed for activation Wi-Fi. We need to connect our Wi-Fi. Roseway. Activating device. Need the password next and later set as new device. Wow. In this phone, Play Store working normally. You can install and you can download. It's working so very well. Look, you see the camera. Camera is so beautiful. How portrait camera and night camera. Another more option. This is the front camera. See, it's one video. It's not heavy, so beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. First come, first take for the order. My number available in the description. Thank you.